Shattabhattai Namo Namaha. Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Guru. All glories to His divine grace. Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. All glories to His divine grace. Paramahamsa Kula Chudamani Thakur Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj. All glories to His divine grace. Satchidananda Sri Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. All glories to His divine grace. Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Sri Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj. All glories. All the members of our parampara. All glories. All glories. All the members of our parampara, headed by His divine grace, Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj, and his dearest disciples, His divine Bhakti Sadhak Muni Maharaj, Bhakti Chakar, Narsimha Maharaj, Madhusudan Maharaj, etc. All His disciples. All glories to assembled devotees. Yesterday it was Radha-Ashtami day. Radharani separation. We are trying to explain the Radharani separation. Narottam Das Thakur also explained in one of his songs that how Radharani lamenting while Krishna going for cow hunting and Krishna crossing Javat, Krishna, Balaram, the crossing Javat, Radharani standing in front of the entrance door. With the situation, how Radha was lamenting, Narottam Das Thakur explained that He dehe nagarhavara Shunahe mururidhara Nivedan kari tua pai Nivedan kari tua pai He dehe nagarhavara, a town of the Lord. Who is the town of the Lord? Then you describe. Listen, Mururidhar, who is holding Muruli, means flute in the hand. Shunnahe of this town. The lord of this town. Who is this? Muralidhar, who is holding flute. It's Krishna. What? Nivedan, request, my request. What was the request? Jana Chorono, because of the separation, Radharani thinking, in this time, if I become a diamond on your toes nail, Charana Nakharamani. Charana means lotus, Nak means nail, Mani means diamond. Nowadays, people are not setting diamond on their nail, right? But before it was. Jana Charana Nakharamani. যেন চাঁদের গাঁথনি ভালো শোভে আমারও গলায় মানে emotional expression. If I become a diamond of your toes nail at that time, because of the separation, I can feel your presence with me. I can keep, when I keep this diamond on my gala, means neck, as a necklace, diamond necklace. This is emotional expression. Then he explained like this way. Sidamo Sudamo Sangi যখন বনে যাও রঙ্গি তখন আমি দুয়ারে দাঁড়াই তখন আমি দুয়ারে দাঁড়াই Shidam, Sudam, Dam, Sudam, all the Krishna's bosom friend. When Krishna going for cow herding with them, with Balaram, Radharani says, I'm standing in front of my entrance door, but I'm not able to reach you, I'm not able to go to meet with you. Why? Because mother-in-law, sister-in-law, who is mother-in-law? Jotila. Who is sister-in-law? Kutila. Brother-in-law? Durmukh. They're all passing negative expression. Negative expression. তখন আমি দুয়ারে দাঁড়াই মনে করি সঙ্গে যাই in mind I am thinking go with you be with you but I feel fear গুরুজনার ভয় পাই but I feel fear of my guardians nowadays no woman can accept mother-in-law is her guardian. Except if you marry, your wife will accept mother-in-law is your guardian, is her guardian. But that time, even I saw my mother, whenever she go, any place she should get permission from my grandfather, grandmother. If they allow, she can go. Otherwise, she cannot go. So, মনে করি সঙ্গে যাই গুরুজনার ভয় পাই I cannot go because of the fear of my guardian. আখির হেতু পানে চেয়ে, আখি means eyes, constantly looking you, as much, as long as possible. My eyes always looking you. Then what is it? হায় মোর মনের সাদ, বামন হয়ে চাঁদে হাত। Oh my mind, what's your desire? It seems like as a dwarf, Baman, trying to touch the moon. Is possible. Radharani expressed, I am a dwarf. You know who says? Which pleasure potency of Krishna. When Krishna lifted up Govardhan hill, by whose potency Krishna lifted up Govardhan hill? You know? Suk and Shari debate, then you can see. Suk bole amar Krishna giri dhore chilo. Suk says, my Krishna lifted up Govardhan hill. Suk is favorable for Krishna. Then Sari is favorable for Radha. Debating like this way. Sari bole amar Radha Sakti sanchari lo. Sari says, your Krishna become eligible to lift up Govardhan hill because my Radha gave him potency. Such a debate, you can understand that that's such a powerful Radharani. Radharani, regarding the Radharani, our Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Uma, Rama, Sochi, Satta, Chandra, Rukmini, Radha avatar sab Amnaya Bani. Uma means Parvati Devi. Today caption I know that. Uma is Parvati Devi, means Durga Devi. Rama means Lakshmi Devi. Sochi means wife of Indra. Satta means Satyabhama. Chandra means Chandravali. Rukmini means Rukmini Devi. All the, as well as all the goddesses, they have potency because Radha gives them potency. Same Radha, out of separation for Krishna, she says, Hayamor Monere Shad. Oh, what type of desire, oh mind, what type of desire you are keeping. It looks like I'm a dwarf, Brahman. I am trying to touch that moon. It's not possible. That way, Narottam Thakur explained. Hayamor Monere Shad, Bamon Hui Chadehan. Then is what he said. Out of emotion, she explained it this way. Aguru Chandana Hoitam. Aguru Chandana means sandalwood paste. Sandalwood, how we paste it. Sandalwood with a piece of stone, put camphor, rose water, holy water, and fixing, rubbing, then paste appear. That paste, Krishna, when he going for cow herding, That paste will protect sun. Really, this is protecting sun ray. It's mirror on your body. If you go to sun ray will not affect your skin. Therefore, Mother Jashoda, whenever Krishna went for cow herding, she smeared Krishna's body all the sandalwood paste. Therefore, Radharani lament like this way. Aguru Chandana Hoitam. If I become a Aguru Chandan means sandalwood paste. Tuange Makharuitam. That this time I can smear on your body. Ghamya Poritam Rangapai. When you are cow herding, when you sweat, and then gradually sweat form. I can get opportunity to touch your feet. Ghamya Poritam Rangapai. Pai means feet. So much obstacles, but Radha never think that it is too much obstacles, so I cannot do any seva for Krishna. She keep trying. Actually, service, when you render, many obstacles may come. In order to tolerate, in order to continue our service, we should keep our tolerance. Therefore, you can see bhaktis, there is a stage, khanti. First stage is khanti. Khanti means extreme tolerance. Abhyarta kalattam. We should not spare any time, any moment without service. Even you are thinking in mind, in this Kali Yuga, even you think in your mind that you are performing this seva, you are going to perform the seva, but you are not able to do so because of this. So many obligations is there. Because you are thinking in this current age, Kali Yuga, any auspicious thing, if you think in your mind, you can get full benefit. Even you are not perform. If even we are not able to perform it, but you think in your mind. But when sinful activity, when you think in our mind, it will not affect. When you committed that activities, simple activity, then it will affect us. React. The sinful reaction will get. But this is the situation. Who explained this? Mahamuni Vedabhyas explained. First canto, 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text number 7, if you just look, then you can see. There is explanation by Mahamuni Vedabhyas. He says, Parikshit Maharaj was a honey bees. You know, flower have honey, but if you go there, you cannot get honey. But honey bees can go and take the honey out from the flower. Parikshit Maharaj is honey bee. Slok like this way. Nanudasti Koling Shamrat Sharangi Mosharavuk Kushalanna Siddhanti Netorani Kritani Jat Nanudasti Koling Shamrat Kali Maharaj and Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj eligible to kill Kali, but he kept Kali alive because Kali in this age, Kali Yuga, have facility. facilitated, what facilitated? Kusalanna siddhanti, whatever specious thing. If you just decide to perform it, but not able to do it, still you can get same benefit. But netorani means karma, means sinful activities. Kritani, when you perform it, then you can get reaction. Not you think. Am I clear? So, in mind we can think. Krishna, I am serving Krishna. Like Nimai was thinking last time. Huh? Yes or no? You're thinking of a chanting. Anyway, Aguru Chandana Hitam Tuange Makharuitam Ghamia Poditam Ranapan. Then one Radharani explained, because Radharani Sachi was in such obstacles. She was, her mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, everybody, they are negative towards Radha. But still Radha continually trying to render some seva for Krishna. This is called devotion. This is called real devotion. Then what is say? The explanation is this. One he explained. That they told, all those relatives, they told, family members, they told, even you are not allowed to cry for that black boy. You are not allowing to cry. No tear at all. Is it possible? When you feel separation, can you stop your tear? Never. Therefore, what is it? When tear comes, what is this? Firewood, dry firewood, intentionally is soaked in the water. And then he make fire for cooking. Smoke coming. Then he says, Dhumaro cholona kori kandi. When the Darji are asking, why you have tear? For the black boy? She said, no. My tear, because of the smoke. Dhuma means smoke. To pretend like my crying because of the smoke, but actually my reason of crying, Krishna's separation. Is it possible? Is it possible for you to so many obstacles to still rendering service? We have little bit obstacles and we quit our service. Radha is perfect example. Everywhere obstacles, but still seek for perfect service. So we should always go ahead with our service attitude towards Krishna. Each activity, when we are trying our best way, we are trying the best way, render service to Krishna. If you really want to do, you have to get mercy from Radha. then you can feel strength. Nothing is easy in the material world. That's Srila Bhakti-Vinod Bharati Goswami Maharaj. Even so many our Guru Varga used to say, Sreyangshi Bahu Vignani. Any auspicious things if you want to perform, Bahu Vigna. Bahu means many. Obstacles. Vigna means obstacles. You will face lots of obstacles. Lot of obstacles you face. Therefore, mildly you have to prepare. Krishna is protector. You can see, if you do anything for Krishna's service, Krishna always protecting. Prahlad was protected. All the gopis was protected. All the cowherd boys, they are protected from the demon. Demon come, but Lord was protecting them. Even in this age of quarrel, if you really engaged yourself or ourselves, engaged to serve Krishna, many obstacles may come. But if you keep trying, you can overcome by the grace of Krishna. But Krishna's mercy always depending on Radha's mercy. No Radha's mercy, and no Krishna's mercy. Therefore, we should always think about therefore we have to always think about how we can progress our spiritual practice. Only chanting, I am just telling you, only chanting is seva, of course. But if your service mood not increasing, Krishna asking water, Sadhu, give me a cup of water. Sadhu says, Prabhu, I am chanting your name. Is it possible to make Krishna happy? My spiritual master used to say like this way. Our purpose of giving discourses to inspire audience to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Our purpose of chanting for rendering service, engaging us to render some service, perform some service. One after another. No chanting, only service, it will not continue. You can see one day that person will stop. Fed up, oh, done so much. Right? Dinabandhu?
Yes. Right.
So you have to chant, right? So this is the way to progress our spirituality in this age of quarrel, Kali Yuga. But I have to start for airport after taking prasadam. With prasadam ready, otherwise I have to go 10 o'clock I have to leave. Any question? 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, Gurudev, what is the source of hope and how hope
Source?
can be destroyed?
We are Vaishnava Association is the source. Vaishnava Association is inspiring us to chant, inspiring us to serve. Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool Hai Sadhu Sangha. Root of service is loving service is association. Hai Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu's association. So,
she's the personification of Yogamaya.
Yogamaya.
How can we consider
What?
Vaibhavi Prakash without Radhata? Vaibhava Prakash, Purnamasi. Is Vaibhava Prakash without?
Yeah, of course.
Huh?
Purnamasi is a chanting bead also. Purnamasi there.
He's asking if it is Radha Tattva, Vaibhav Prakash of Radharani, Yogamaya.
Is it Purnamasi being Yogamaya? She is Vaibhava Prakash of Radhata?
Of course, Vaibhava Prakash, of course. Krishna, Radha expanding her opulence through her associate. In that way. Vaibhava means opulence. Vaibhava means, that's it, what in English called. Vaibhava, opulence.
Opulence, expansion.
Without Purnamasi, without Purnamasi mercy, we are not able to reach Vrindavan, to enter in the Raso dance. Purnamasi, Yogamaya. Yogamaya means connection. Yogamaya, who is giving connection towards Lord's services.
Like grandmother? Like grandmother?
What's that?
Merciful grandmother?
Grandmother. I have to say grandmother. She is old, but yes, his grandmother. Okay. All that, there is a connector, you can say. Most important, most appropriate word is connector. Without Yogamaya's connection, what? Professor, listen, if I just speak that late, I have to go out at 10 o'clock. You say 8:30 to 9, right? If I start one more content, it will go ahead. Anyway, Hari Haraya Namo Krishna Jadavaya Namo
Hari Haraya Namo Krishna Jadavaya Namo
Jadavaya Madhavaya
Jadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namo
ठाकुर की जय। सपार सपरिकर नित्य लाभ प्रविष्ट श्रील प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर की जय। नित्य प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद परमहंस कुल चूड़ामणि ठाकुर श्रील गौर किशोरदास बाबाजी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्य प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद सच्चिदानंद श्री श्रील भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। नित्य प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री श्रील जगन्नाथ दास बाबाजी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। जय श्री रूपानुग गुरु बरगो की जय। भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। चारि धाम की जय। चारि संप्रदाय की जय। चारि संप्रदाय आचार्य वृंद की जय। भक्त रज पल्लव महाराज की जय। भक्ति विघ्न विनाशन भक्त विघ्न विनाशन सर्व विघ्न विनाशनकारी नृसिंहदेव की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति गीत माधव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति गौरव वैखनस गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति रक्षक श्रीधर देव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वैभवपुरी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति कुमुद संत गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति हृदय गुणदेव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति कुसुम समूह गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति विलास तीर्थ गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। सपार्श सपरिकर नित्यलीला प्रविष्ट श्रील प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर की जय। सरस्वत गौरी वैष्णव वृंद की जय। जय दंड सरस्वती दंडी पादगान की जय। दंड नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र चता श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वैभव तीर्थ गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति वेदांत वामन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति विज्ञान भरती गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति सुंदर गोविंद गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति प्रज्ञान ज्योति गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति साधक मुनि महाराज की जय। भक्ति चाकर नरसिंह महाराज की जय। जय श्री राधा गोविंद गौरी मठ की जय। जय साधु मदन गोपाल प्रभु की जय। All glories to Adam and
जय परम पूज्यपाद हृदय स्वामी श्रीमद् भक्ति विभूत बोधायन गोसाई महाराज की जय।
So, Prabhu, what is the arrangement?